Do you remember what inspired you to cook, whether it be family or friends, or some of those old PBS shows such as Julia or Jacques Pupin, or in recent years, the social media is an avenue where we see a lot of influencers and content creators out there doing it their own kind of special, just as this particular recipe that I'm bringing you today that was brought to me by Papa G's. And as soon as I saw it, you guys, I knew without question, without doubt, that I was going to make this recipe. Thank you guys so very much for being here. And remember to hit that subscribe button. Also remember to hit that notification bell so that you will always be informed of when I upload new content such as this. So you guys, these are all the ingredients that we need to put together this chimichanga, which is basically a meat, cheese, bean filled burrito that is deep fried, but we're not deep frying ours. We are going to cook it in the air fryer. And I promise you, you are not going to miss out on a thing. So get all of your ingredients together and come in close. And let's put together a delicious low-carb chimichanga. So the main components to this recipe is the meat filling, along with the aromatics over here. The Pico de Gallo, so we've got the fresh tomatoes and the red onions, cilantro, and some lime juice, and then our cheese sauce. And my cheese sauce has a secret ingredient which I will share with you when we get ready to make this sauce, you guys. And of course, it's not going to be a chimichanga without the tortilla shells. So you guys, come in close and let's cook. So we are going to start with putting together our Pico de Gallo. To this bowl, we are going to add our tomato, our red onion, our fresh cilantro, which by the way, you guys, I got out of my garden. Yes, I started a garden this year and I am just beyond thrilled about it. And then lastly, we are going to add some fresh lime juice. Give this a mix. And we are going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator so it can set. Okay, up next, we are going to bring all of these ingredients over to the stove where we are going to put together the filling, which consists of some shredded chicken, some cauli rice. We've got diced onions, garlic, cilantro. We've got some lime juice, and we have a beautiful medley of spices. Salt, garlic powder, creole sauce, paprika, chili powder, thyme, and oregano. You guys, this filling is going to be packed with flavor. So get it all together and join me over at the stove. We are going to add some avocado oil to our pan, along with 2 pats of butter. And we are going to saute our onions. Now at this point, if you want a little heat in this meat mixture, you will go ahead and add your chipotle peppers, but that's not something that my husband prefers, so I'm going to leave that out. So at this point, you guys, it is time for me to go ahead and add in the garlic. Give this a mix. And already this has become very fragrant. Next, our shredded chicken. Now you guys, this chicken, you can either get a rotisserie chicken or you can take chicken breast like I did and just cook it. And what I did is I put it in some boiling water along with some bay leaves, salt, pepper, oregano, garlic powder, and some bouillon. All right. Next, we're going to add our cauliflower. And this is just fried cauliflower that I cooked in the microwave according to the instructions, along with our seasonings. Okay, this is heated through. It's fragrant. I gave this a taste, you guys. This stuff is so good. I didn't want to stop eating it, but I got to save some for the recipe. So at this point, let's go ahead and add in a lime juice. All right, turn off this flame, and we are going to add the last ingredient, which is this fresh chopped cilantro. Our filling is ready, you guys, so I'll meet you at the counter, and then we are going to put these chimichangas together. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to coat one side of these shells with some avocado oil. Take my pastry brush and make sure that they both are evenly coated. Because again, we are not deep frying these. We're going to be frying these in the air fryer. So this is going to help these crisp up. All right, okay, flip it over. And now it's time for the filling. You guys, when I tell you that this filling is like beyond amazing, the flavor of this, oh my gosh. Now, let's see if I can go ahead and do the rolling justice like Papa G did. If not, you guys, I may have to go back and rewatch his video, which is good too. So let's see, something to this effect. Tucked it in real tight, keep everything in, and roll. Okay. Not too bad. Take a look at that. Very nice. And let's do the same with the second one. Center first. Roll it and tuck it. Everything is nice and tight. And roll. And you guys, there we have it. So now the next step is to go ahead and preheat my air fryer, and then we are going to fry these. And while they're frying, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put together the cheese sauce. Okay guys, I am going to set this air fryer at 5 minutes at 380 degrees. Press start. It's going to heat up, and then once it's heated, it's going to prompt me to put these chimichangas in. Okay, this is preheated. I am going to put one of my fryer liners in here, and to it, I'm going to add our chimichangas. Back in they go for 5 minutes. So meet me at the stove, you guys, and I will show you how to put together this cheese sauce with my secret ingredient. Okay, so to our pot, we are going to add our water and some sodium citrate. And this acts as an emulsifier to hold this cheese together and keep it from separating. And this came from Amazon. I will leave it in the description, just in case you want to purchase some. Thanks, Papa G, for this tip. Because I've had cheese sauces in the past, you guys, separate and had no idea how to hold it together. And this is the secret. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is add in my secret ingredient. So instead of the heavy whipping cream, my secret ingredient, you guys, is this hard-working cottage cheese. So let's go ahead and add this in. Give it a mix until it is well incorporated and nice and creamy. All right, guys, this is just heated through. So let's go ahead and add in our cheese a little at a time until it is well incorporated and nice and creamy. Okay, everyone, and this is the last of the cheese. Stir this in until it has melted. And then the next step will be to plate these chimichangas and give everything a taste. I'll see you soon. All right, everyone, and here are our chimichangas hot out of the fryer. Let's go ahead and serve this. And here we have our cheese sauce. Cheese sauce is amazing. Look at that creaminess, you guys. Okay, so cheese sauce. Then some sour cream, if that's what you like. And then this homemade Pico de Gallo that was just sitting in the fridge waiting for its turn. Go ahead and put this on top. And you guys, do you see this? I don't think there's anything left to say, but let's eat. All right, guys, are you ready to get happy? And if you're already happy, are you ready to get really, really happy? Lord, I thank you. You guys, you see this plate of deliciousness. Okay, enough talk. This thing was so pretty, I didn't want to cut into it to mess it up, but you know what? Some things, okay, you just have to sacrifice. Wow. Mm. You guys, when I tell you that this is packed with flavor from the very top all the way through, and everything just comes together so beautifully. The freshness of this Pico de Gallo, the tenderness and this flavor-packed chicken on the inside, and this creamy cheese sauce with my secret ingredient, that being the cottage cheese, you guys. Run to your kitchens, get all the ingredients together, and make some for you and your family. You will be in love. Thank you, Papa G, for inspiring me to make this plate of deliciousness. You guys, if you enjoyed my video, please do remember to give it a like and share, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Bath 50. And enjoy.